Part 3, important MCQs of matrices and determinant. Question 5th. If A is Q-symmetry matrix, then B transpose AB is option A symmetric matrix, option B is Q-symmetric matrix, option C symmetric, and option D not defined. Solution: given A is Q-symmetry matrix, therefore A transpose is equal to minus A. Let P is equal to B transpose AB, taking transpose on both sides. P transpose B transpose AB transpose AB and transpose of all terms. We know transpose of A into B into C is equal to C transpose B transpose A transpose, and also transpose of A transpose is equal to A. Therefore P transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose and transpose of B transpose, and at the place of A transpose we have to put minus A. That will be minus A and that will be B. Take negative sign outside of this, therefore it will be B transpose A into B, and it is equal to B transpose AB is equal to P, therefore P transpose is equal to minus P, and it shows that P is Q-symmetry matrix, therefore option B is the correct answer. Now question number 6. If points 2, minus 3, lambda, minus 1, 0, 4 are collinear, then lambda is option A 10/7, option B 7/10, option C 11/7, option D 7/11. Again, if points 2, minus 3, lambda, minus 1 and 0, 4 are collinear, then lambda is. Since if the points are collinear, then the area of the triangle utilize these as a vertex will be 0. Therefore, using the formula of the area of collinear point be 0, that is 2, minus 3, 1, lambda minus 1, 1, 0, 4, 1 is equal to 0. Using definition 2, minus 1, minus 4 plus 3, lambda minus 0 plus 1, 4 lambda minus 0 is equal to 0. This will be minus 10 plus 3 lambda plus 4 lambda is equal to 0. Therefore 7 lambda is equal to 10. This implies lambda is equal to 10/7. Option number A, the correct answer. Answer A. And final question 7 number. Matrix 5, 10, 3, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 1, minus 2, B is singular, then B is option A 1, option B 2, option C 0, option D not exist. Solution. Let let A is given matrix. Since A is singular, therefore determinant of A will be 0. A singular matrix, therefore determinant of its will be 0. Using the formula of determinant 5, 10, 3, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 1, minus 2b is equal to 0. This will be 5 minus 4b minus 12 minus 10 minus 2b minus 6 plus 3 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Apply minus 20b minus 60 plus 20b plus 60 plus 0 is equal to 0. Cancel all term. Therefore we see that here there is no term of b. Terms of b automatically omit. Therefore there is no existence the value of the b. The D option answer is D. No existence of b. Okay, please share and subscribe and like my video. Thanks.